Hey guys, hey YouTubers, my name's Frank. I'm starting this channel. This is my first video. Family members have been telling me, my wife's been telling me I should be recording this as I go, and every time I start working on the truck, I forget to record it. But now I'm gonna start doing it, and hopefully you like my videos. So like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and go from there. But let's get on with the project that I'm building right now. I'm building a food truck. It's out of a Frito-Lay delivery truck. It is 18 foot long with a lot of space. This is what I did so far. I got the generator mounted in there. Inside I cut a hole square outside. That's a metal right there. That's actually going to be the lid that I'm going to put on there with hinges. So I get to it and turn it on whenever I can. It's a long truck. It's alright. It's good for the project. I mean, see, it's Frito-Lay. I'm going to have to take all that stuff at the end off and repaint it. This is the inside. I'll let you look at the inside. See if I get some footage here. And it's a mess. It's kind of cluttered. I got tools and stuff everywhere. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing so far. So far, I got a generator out of a RV. It's used in different like recreational vehicles. I had to make an enclosure out of it with 26 galvanized steel, and it has to be in a box. So I got the box going. Got it sealed up. It's gonna get slid. It's gonna slide up against the wall. I got the holes pre-cut, pre-drilled. Everything's pre-drilled. You can see down here, I got pre-drilled holes where it's gonna be. It'll bolt right up. So I gotta seal it up, push it against it, bolt all the bolts up all around. I'm gonna get the power wire right here. I'm gonna have it run through the 2x4 and up, and put the junction box right here, and have the main breaker right here. But I still need to run the ground wire through the floor, and I need to get power wire that goes straight to the battery, which is over there in the front by the steps. And I need to run the fuel line down and a evaporation line down to the tank that I'm gonna have to install. I gotta make the top for it. It's gonna be lined with 26 gauge steel. Well, actually this is 24 sticker, but the manufacturer says the lowest amount is 26, so sticker's better. So I got that going. I just gotta get some wire, and I can finish that project. Then I got this grill right here, flat grill. It's a 24-inch flat grill, propane gas. I bought it. It's used. I have to clean it up. I think I paid like about, I paid $300. But I got the knobs inside. But the tubes inside, I didn't know until when I got off of Offer Up, and it was in San Antonio. And by the time I got there, talked to a guy, and he said that like, oh no, we can't go that low. I go, I already made an offer with somebody, and his dad's the one that, he goes, oh yeah, he did. He made the offer, you know, and he agreed on it. So I got it for $300. The tubes inside, I didn't know they were rusted out. They were patched up, but I actually found the new tubes. I bought those online for $40. Got them brand new. I got a fryer right here. It is a 2-compartment fryer. A Vulcan double fryer. You wouldn't believe how much I paid for this. It's dirty inside a little bit, but you should have seen how it was when I first got it. This thing was all caked up. Inside here was nothing but oil, old oil, all inside here, caked up. It looked so ugly. Me and my wife went to go. We went all the way. We went like, I don't even know, almost over 2.5 hours drive in the hill country. Past Austin, went up the mountains and everything, and got to the place, and we saw it, and we were like, oh my god. And I thought she was gonna throw a fit and all that, but she didn't. She was, oh, just clean it. I was like, oh, I'm the one who's like, oh man, I don't even, in my mind, I was like, I don't know if I clean it, but I cleaned it up pretty good. It still needs more cleaning, but man, it looks brand new now. And it also came with a whole box of parts. And all these parts in here I used to make a propane. So I got all this box of parts. All these brand new parts. These are brand new parts. The plugs on everything. I think the receipt said that they paid like over $500 and something for all these parts. We got everything for $200. So I gotta convert that to propane. So that's what we're looking at. We got a double fryer, and we got a 24-inch flat grill. Propane. Over here is gonna be a sink. I put a window in here. I wish I would have filmed it. I had to cut all this out, cut all the edging out, cut the whole metal out, and put it in there. Came out good. Well, I'm gonna have to make another video because I'm gonna cut out this one. I'm gonna put another window the same way. That's gonna be my order line, and then it's gonna be the takeout line. And they got a sink here. This sink's gonna go right here, but for this sink, the 3-compartment sink, the middle part is just too small. So I'm gonna cut that middle part off. I'm gonna customize it. That's gonna be my hand sink, but I'm gonna have to get another sink that's the same depth as this one or bigger on both of those sides and put it in the middle. And I'm gonna customize that, and I'll figure that out as I go. I've been doing stuff. I gotta save money, so I'm trying to use stuff so I could save money and not spend money, because money's hard to come by nowadays. So both of these together, $500. I mean, come on. I saved a lot of money there. You could price them yourself and look for used ones, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Generally, I think I paid $1,000 for it. It's pretty good. So I still got a lot to go still, guys. Another window, the sink, countertop, the power inverter. Got to put the power inverter up here. Run all the wires to that, the plugs. I'm gonna have above the generator here, I have the box up here, electrical box, junction box, and the RV plug setup for the house to that. To keep have a refrigerator in that corner, freezer in that corner, flooring all through the middle. I might have rubber flooring. So I got a lot. I gotta do lighting inside, outside. There's a lot still to do, a very lot. So you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, notification. There's gonna be a lot of projects still. Like I said, it's gonna be done this year. I gotta get it done this year. There's a lot of stuff, and hopefully everything works out with no hiccups or anything, but there's going to be hiccups on the way regardless. So till then, see y'all later.